If you're a parent watching this, it's because you want your kid to have more than just what they're teaching at school. You want them to have the knowledge and the power within themselves to create an extraordinary life. Maybe something like $40,000 a month from 3 hours of work they did 6 months ago. I mean, let's just be super transparent. You want them to have the knowledge and the skills to become a millionaire at some point in life, right? Hopefully sooner rather than later. And maybe even be grateful to you for showing them this path. And if you're sitting there thinking, oh, but money can't buy happiness, you're right. But it makes it a lot easier. Let's just be real about that. It makes it a lot easier for you to have more freedom. I'm pretty sure if you're here, your dream for them is not for them to have a 9-to-5 job making $40 an hour for the next 45 years of their life so that they can retire at 65 and maybe have enough money to live on for the next 15 years. Am I right? But who's going to teach them this? They aren't teaching this at school, that's for sure. And most of us as parents were never taught this either. So how are they supposed to learn how to build something like $40,000 a month in passive income if we don't even know where to start ourselves? That's why what I'm about to show you caught my attention, because this is a system that was originally built for adults to create passive income for themselves and their families. But when I saw how simple it actually was and what it was, that's when it clicked for me. This isn't just something we could do. This is something we could use to teach our kids how to build their first real business and give them freedom for the rest of their lives. The dad who created this system built it into a $40,000 a month passive income business with his 10-year-old son. Now, before we go any further, when I say I'm teaching my kids this instead of school, I don't mean I'm pulling them out of school. Don't do that. School is there for a lot of other reasons. But what I mean is this. School teaches one path as far as income goes. It teaches how to get a job and trade time for money, which is teaching them how to be stuck, in my opinion, because you can't make more time. Once your hour is gone, it's gone. So trading time for money is not a fair trade, in my opinion. What our kids need to learn in order to have a life full of freedom is how to build passive income. And this system is basically a crash course in passive income, and it is perfect for kids. What stood out to me about this is that it's already built and it's already working. There are multiple successful students already. This isn't an idea. This is a real system that was originally created for adults to build passive income with. The business model is Amazon Children's Book Publishing, because who better to write kids' books than kids? That's why the dad built this with his 10-year-old son. And before you assume that it sounds complicated, this is where it's different. This system is broken down into simple video modules. He gives you his exact formula. Each video is about 10 to 30 minutes long, so instead of trying to figure out and learn everything at once, you're just following along step by step, following the exact formula that he used to become a best-selling author, times 12. Him and his son have 12 best-selling books on Amazon. You and or your kid could do one lesson per day in small pockets of time and just keep moving forward. Or if you wanted to go faster as a parent, you could go through the full system yourself and realistically be working on your first book in as little as 48 hours. And then just do the creative part with your kid if you want to. Or let your kid do it by themselves, depending on how old they are. And again, this was originally built for adults, people who want to create passive income for themselves. But that's exactly why I see this differently, because instead of giving your child something watered down, you're giving them a real example of how money is actually made, a real system, a real process, a real business, something that actually works. And instead of guessing, they're learning how to follow a proven path. They're learning to see how a business can start. And what I love about this is that it changes how they think. They start to understand that money doesn't only come from working hourly, that they can create something once and get paid again and again, that they have more options than most people realize. That's a completely different mindset because most of us were never shown this. We had to figure it out later. We had to unlearn everything first. And a lot of us lost years doing that. I did. So think about this. If you could go back to when you were 12 years old and your parents handed you something like this, a real business, and you actually saw your own money coming in passively from something you built once, and then it just kept paying you, even when you were playing or in school, how different would your life be today if you learned that type of lesson when you were young? In a real way, not just from reading a textbook about it. So if I was starting this with my own child, which I will, but he's only 2 right now, so we're going to get there. But this is exactly how I would do it. First, I would go through the free training by myself, just to understand how it works. Second, I'd get access to the full system. And then from there, you can either go through it together, or if they're old enough, let your child go through it on their own. Because the lessons are short, simple, and structured, you can step in and help at any point if they need it. You don't need to be an expert. There's a formula. You just need to understand the basics, which you'll get in the free training. And that's what makes this realistic for parents and for kids. So no, this isn't about social media or turning your kid into an influencer or putting them on the internet. This isn't about you building something from scratch. This is about giving your child access to something real, something proven, something fun, and something that could completely change how they think about money and business for the rest of their life. So if you want to see the exact system I'm talking about, I linked the free training below. Go through that first, and it'll walk you through exactly how this works step by step. Click the link below, enter your email, and you'll be taken straight to it. Because if we really want a different and better future for our kids, one that is letting them live their life instead of just working their entire life, one that's giving them freedom, if we really want our kids to be free and happy, we have to give them different options than what we had. And this is one you will not regret giving them. If someone had shown you something like this at 12 years old, how different would your life be today? Let me know in the comments, and I'm excited to see what you guys do with this.